YouTube. All right, y'all. Back with another top-down analysis. We got GJ. We got GJ here. I hope somebody made some money last week. A lot of things happened. Yeah, and I hope y'all are taking these videos seriously. Hopefully, y'all have made some money off these videos, and can see the value in them. Everything's looking good, so let's hop right into it. All right, GJ monthly time frame, still bullish, obviously, right? So number one question when you're looking at a chart, especially when you're doing technical analysis, I'm a price action trader, so I mainly focus on price action. Not a lot of indicators, market structure, supply and demand zones, support and resistance. Pretty much that's it. But okay, where am I in structure currently, right? So all right, how do we identify a downtrend? A series of lower highs and lower lows, right? So I would consider this right here a downtrend. Minor, right? More of a consolidation, but it's still a downtrend, especially when it comes to the lower time frames at this point in time. So the last lower high that was broken to form that change of character, reversal, break of resistance, whatever you want to call it, was right here. Let's mark that off as a point of reference, this resistance area right here. And we pretty much marked off the two candles that broke this level of resistance as far as the monthly time frame is concerned. All right, so you should see higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frames to confirm this break. Then we come up, price comes back down to test newfound support. If you use fibs, it's probably a 23.6 retracement, which is more of a continuation. A lot of volume, a lot of bullish volume still in the market, so price actually came up. It got a little crazy right here, right? A lot of wicks, a lot of confusion, but this is the monthly time frame, so more than likely you probably got in on buys and sells during this point in time. And it's GJ, right? So GJ moves. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the monthly time frame. Structurally bullish. It's pretty clear, right? Let me see. So yeah, this is the last day of the month. Tomorrow is May. Tomorrow is May 1st. This candle, let me see. Oh yeah. The April candle actually already printed, right? So the May 1st candle is already open. So last month closed extremely bullish, right? All right, so let's go to the next time frame, the weekly. Where am I in structure currently? For me, it's clear as day. It's still bullish as far as the weekly is concerned. If you want to go back and do some market structure, you can. A bit of consolidation right here, right? But at the end of the day, this is just pretty much a range, and it's not that bad because this is the weekly time frame. So people made money all throughout this range, right? And it's GJ. This is a this is 1,000 pip, 1,200 pip range. Yes, people made money. You don't need that much from GJ. You know what I mean? So, but yeah, it's clearly bullish. The last point of structure, resistance right here that was broken. Delete some of these. 1, 2, 3. If you're conservative, 4 candles right here. This was that continuation of the uptrend, break of resistance, and it should be higher highs and higher lows on a lower time frame to confirm that break. I'm gonna keep saying that because that's very important. You want to make sure the lower time frame is congruent with the higher time frames. You know, you don't want to just see a break. It won't make sense pretty much. If you see a break on this time frame, but the lower time frames aren't congruent, you know, you don't see that ripple effect, then something's not right. Something's off. So, but yeah, that was the last break of resistance. Then price went into somewhat of a consolidation, and now it seems like it's trying to break up. The next level of resistance that I would feel comfortable marking off is somewhat up here. You know, you can mark off this, but in order for it to, you know, continue up, you know, even further, definitely want to mark off this area on the weekly. You know, you want this point to break right here. All right. So, all right, the weekly is bullish. All right, let's go to the daily time frame. All right, daily time frame, extremely bullish. If you do price action, if you know market structure, it's pretty simple. Let's see. Right, mark off some points of resistance, mark off the breaks, kind of give you an idea. And look, this is a pretty much a higher low right here, you know, clean high low, just to kind of confirm that, you know, that was a break. Then price came back down to test newfound support, which is cool. All of this is support, newfound support right here. Bounce, you see that seller's exhaustion, bounce up, came back down to 23.6 retracement, which is a continuation. Not really considered a PRZ when it comes to Fibonacci, but there's enough volume to continue, you know, that bullish trend without too much of a pullback. And it looks like it's the same thing right here. This actually might be a 38.2 just because of how it pushed off. But yeah, daily time frame definitely bullish, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the same thing for H4. Yep. Where am I in structure? You can clearly see this level of resistance right here being broken, you know. Now, depending on what type of trader you are, whether you're a swing trader, intraday, I would wait for a price to come back down and test, you know, newfound support. That's if it wants to do that. If you're a scalper or, you know, more so an intraday, you can go in the H1 time frame to see if price, because H4 might not even give you that, because there's, you know, there's too much volume. There's too much, the buyers are still in, right? So it may not be time for the, you know, price to come back down to retrace. So, yeah, you can do some intraday trades, some scalps, but, you know, if you're a man of patience and, you know, you want, this is going to be a nice move. Whenever it decides to come back down, you know, it's going to be nice. So, but, that's pretty much it for GJ. Pretty simple. Bullish, 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 bullish. It was the same last week. So let's see how this week goes as far as news and everything. All right. I'll see you all in the next video.